Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. This is Shrikant Chouhan from Kotak Securities and today we will discuss about the trend of the market. Nifty on Friday closed above the level of 16,200 which is positive. That means that the Nifty is ready to move towards the levels of 16,400 at least in the near term. But at the same time, after opening higher on Friday, we saw some profit taking and finally the market closed at an unchanged levels. We may see the levels of 16,000 or maybe 15,900 on the downside during the week. There the market is having excellent support and from there we can expect some recovery. On the higher side, 16,300, 16,400 both will act as major resistance for the market. And in case if we see the market is closing above the mark of 16,400 on a weekly basis, then we can expect market to move towards the levels of 16,800. Otherwise, we are expecting market to consolidate between these levels and it should not close below the levels of 15,900 because 15,900 acted as major support for the market in the last 3 months. So below 15,900 again the market will try to retest the levels of 15,700, 15,650 and maybe even 15,400. So we are at the crucial levels and we need to be level based trader during the week. 15,900 as we discussed as important and major support for the market, but in case if we see the market is dropping to the levels of 16,070 or 16,000, then there we should be buyer with a stop loss at 16,000. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 16,200 and after that 16,400 will be the next important level. For the Bank Nifty, there also 35,300, 35,400 would be major resistance. 36,000 will be the next level to watch out for. On the downside, 34,800 and 34,500 would be major supports. For the week, we are going to focus on financials as well as on infrastructure companies. There we are expecting some momentum. We also like a few auto companies and after the announcement and result of the TCS numbers, now we need to see that how actually TCS management guide for the next quarter which will come during the day, and based on that the technology will take the trend for the next few days. So possibility is that we may see some correction in IT companies, but broadly they have corrected heavily in the past. So after the result, after the announcement, if they fall to their important support levels, then we should be buyer with a medium to long term view. That's the broader strategy for all the IT companies. And for the metals, they have bounced back sharply in the previous week. Now buying is at. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me and have a great day to all of you.